Abusia for Nyame Show Bibia. Aha, aye Ghana Sem TV. Your best friend say, must subscribe to the channel and I'm from my dream chamber. I will comment section. Turn on the notifications. Send a anytime be a video of this kind. You'll be the first.
Because we can now deal with the main issue.
Yes, I'll go to the zipline issue. But before then, Obi, it's sad. We are saddled with such a clueless government. Say, you've been asked a specific pointed question. Say 12 months in your babemu, chair the way. No, Mahama Bekobi. Oh, please don't. I beg you. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do. You can't do that. You want to get your chance, you can speak. No, you want to get your chance, you can speak. Oh, double check. Please. You wait. When you get your turn, Obi, for 30 minutes, the government in power, rep or host you couldn't tell the people of this country, say, Yaba Bemu 12 months. Senior Yassison Bravo. Ekufa do say, Mahama is the hope, Mahama is say, and unfortunately, we have to bear this. Unfortunately, we have to endure this pain of cluelessness. We have no choice because democracy is my honor, and these guys, they have nothing to offer us, and they are living in a world of their own. Obi, 2024 is not the first time we talk about. It is a who. NDC need to studio no and now Mama Beko 10 no mo yemsre okay 2017 MPP near NDC egu in fact 2020 no nobody does munya de kufa de FN say status into on no but you see the serious issues will still be discussed. Who did they grow yes and the country will still discuss the serious issues. The fact of the matter is in 12 months you have nothing to show. That is the truth. You had 30 minutes. You still couldn't point to any specific thing.
No 30 minutes.
When you're saying
10-15.
You had 10-15 minutes. You couldn't point to anything you have done. 12 months. Obi, you have 48 months. Oh, don't do that, honorable. Yes, sir. Also, we have to show another. I sat here for you to talk like the way you talk.
No.
Didn't I sit here for you to talk like the way you talk?
No, me my own twisting.
Didn't I sit here to listen to you?
Let me settle this. Let me settle this.
Make it look like you asked me a question and I dodged.
No. Let me settle this. Hold on.
But you know what happen. Maybe tell him say my desperate no. You try desperate to him. He should keep quiet and listen to me.
Okay, that's fine.
He is in government. He should keep quiet. Sit down and listen to me.
Okay.
Please, and do whatever I have to say. The same way I will not.
Now
I will not go. Men quarter I was saying me here with me come please. Me part-time no so you free. Honorable Address, I will not tell me what to say. Abaya yede wa betira konya so to abama wa yewo no wa be ka de awba also oba abaya man wa ba 12 months ebisa o untumi ye he when you 10 minutes untumi anka he what na auto we e friend say Dodges Mahama is the whole anybody. Mahama is the whole you return school fees.
Enye ho hope.
Mahama is the whole no obi you return school fees. And let the club move from 5 to 7 cities. Mahama is the whole you the todo no. And confront to me to light bill. Omo muda kies mu no 200 cities for the light bill and then over between 128 Ghana cities. We say Mahama is the whole. We say Mahama is the whole. What say aso petritem. Obi, you what promo Ghana from 35. You see me by no my calm. Me pese me we but you see you are in government, keep quiet. Listen to me. You are supposed to listen to me. We were given no be to me ama we dey buy see can be bia shawonsa. Keep quiet and listen to me. Obi mka say me cho he. Obi there are serious issues. Next for the teacher for tifie. Me no ka say na say next for your demonstration. Omo kura jo Mahama is excellent voice on my boy. Omo say when I come the one me to say when I come I will do automatic dem please. I say hey what you say Mahama is the whole. Omo twen. Obi I'm telling you for ballot box. Ekosi nursing training college. Be an teacher training college NDC benya 0. Yes. Because you've lied to them. Obi, there are over 35,000 young Ghanaians now. Oba Bemo Apamono. We say Mahama is the whole. What you have to Mahama is the whole. When you have nothing to show, the Ghanaian young person now can say what tiptoe lane. I will catch and say Oba only 24-hour economy. Beba no 24-hour economy no. You haven't even been able to come up with how you do it. We say Mahama is the whole. What a joke! Absolute complete joke, clueless government, and now we are saddled with. You are here talking about the Kufuor that is home and retired. Yet the Juma shall was a year was a Kufuor. What to can you 28% was a Kufuor? In so broke also you to me to so crown Franka Benku. In so broke a cost over 15% was a Kufuor. All the tax me no can say in the next few months and the NHI tariff from Betum was MAHAMA is a whole Sabat for the Messia Babium. Who's a gun for a Jimmy? Sabe, who's a gun for Jimmy? Or mine your Tomamo. Your Tomamo. And the Kufuor by the movie has setting up Tower Korean NDC. On your fugitive. On look at the dinner summer year NDC, your dinner summer year court a ruling a judge on order to America. Mobile Mark of Anaba. NDC from war a friend say court I be myself. Mobile man filing knowledge press craft. Ever is a no day.
Prosecute.
Knowledge prosecute say Major Mamunko. Obi, all of these things beside the point. Fix the issues. Your NDC functionaries, executives, any government officials, engage in Galamsey SANs will fix it. What you say MAHAMA is the whole. What you are saying? What do you go? You are playing. They are only your minor drama. On minor obi, only your content. Only your camera ne microphone say ya. Almost try say the almost new normal content. We have serious issues, obi, serious bread and butter issues. You had the whole year to prepare students to go and write what's it. Results number the course subject says somebody co invest I said we have to be discussing them and finding solutions to them. We say MAHAMA is the whole.
My whole year may not be factual because exams start April, May.
We say MAHAMA is the whole. Obi, we say MAHAMA is the whole. We have serious issues. So, my friend is saying, is it maize grat? We say,
yeah.
In Miani, Kofa Yemiani, Yenya atofo. Akasha demu, omu yeska, omu boka. We say MAHAMA is the whole. Why are you doing this to the people? Is it a crime for the people to exercise their democratic rights by giving you an opportunity to come and serve? 12 months, you cannot recount what you have done for the people. What's MAHAMA is the whole. Obi, they have nothing to tell us. Obi, a hard say, on mine, you near bread discussing serious issues. Now, the yes and quase, Nipana and Brandon go 2 times, almost over 3 times. How? Nipana guys are crazy and say, now MAHAMA not you. It's not an issue of choice for them. It is an issue of law. I have no matter interpreted law. I have no matter test. I'm going to test away. You see, the confidence comes from
the right of citizens.
The confidence comes from some of the machinations they think they've done. They should try it. They should try it. I'm going to try it. They should try it. I'm going to try it. Say, or see the I'm going to try it. Kakane the man go so. The little that has been given to you, Dr. 12 months, what's an hour, 10 to 15 minutes. Once you can the Obaya, what's the MAHAMA is the who? Obi and the plan, what the young friend of Cranton say.
Baby, NDC for the minor corner. In fact, especially your education system, no. Now, I'm saying him say, or my be a fapim, education. So education in your week pay. Now that means or minor engineer baby. Yeah, waha and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. O promise Ghana for say will be our baby secondary school no. Our be tertiary no. Free admission is free. Our phobia into ya. O campaign promise. Na say this year no skinny hon more the catch out for say oh me ampa me beka say wo bia o ba be we secondary school no benya akunya ko tertiary no free kan kra ne chila wo for no na sa wo for no be pace kan no mo de o ma kwa o mo fa mo ma ne nko nembom wo enfeli enkwala no and I want him say a strategy no mu use you say before now we call tertiary no your core subject maths, English, science and social. Now electives obi on one ABA or your business or be ABA financial accounting, business management, economics, and I say elective maths. almost said that now almost failing ebia obe passing electives ni nyina no with almost failing the call back home and that means any pa no ontimi ko university no obe pass ni electives ni nyina na ne call ebia maths English science social no na almost failing the back home a strategy o say almost be reduce enimpa almost be call tertiary no almost reduce hwe enimpa over 461,000 plus and omukotwele wasi 2025 mathematics nko omo failure over 220,000 maths science na there me jump social studies me ma offer say obeko secondary school no social studies onya 1 na okotwele wasi ya mo failing in social studies. Oh, into a planting. Omo se omo ni ska omo ntimi ntua this year omo nkwala na omo beko tertiary this year no omo ntimi ntua because a double triple to quadruple omo kono omo doso into a strategy omo use omo de kate omo de reduce number of students omo be right into tertiary because abani ni ska odbe tua sa admission no. Na oyesa eye akufo adoka so beye free SHS wandwene sika no say okay omo amufi basic omo ba secondary no dabi onye sika oye budget onye sika di tuaye na hwe enipa dodo a free SHS e contain entina ameka say when it come to governance say yembu manya adwene nyansa nimdi omudi buman no nyankopon de sie NDC for they don't have any idea when it comes to governance.
Senkami belonging to any tribe in the northern part of Ghana. Kamefa to me hoso. Now I told all the 5 regions happen of make every constituency with one simple campaign message against MPP Judas Kenya Japan. And they say Kenya Japan on pet tribes say what the northern part asem. We are not na Kenya Japan has deep-seated hatred for you, Mimi free Eastern region. But me who say Kenya Japan has deep-seated hatred for the people that more the northern part of Ghana. Because tell me, like how could somebody walk in Japan who be hatchet hatred? Ama tribes up north. Omomonya we show omonya oboni bi omon ka bibi antia wo. Who be hatchet hatred for them? You won't hide it. Who be call round. Obe professor that hatred no wo de beye twapia ahye wano aka ma obi ahunu se what time na so omo respond dia na wa twa ho e be play victim and you want to score political points out of it. You see some of us now they were down south, right? Mimi free Eastern region, you were down south that you do MPP, a person MPP making rules in the northern part. See who say be say me same way a boy MPP a big MPP aya you bufu me bufu. And currently, Kenya Japan, I got a radio so. I said, honorable Niti, tribal policies against him. I was the northern part into the whole video, beba. Or the video, ne beba. So I had 2023 video. And 2023 video, honorable Niti was responding to who Kenya Japan. Tribal hatred are now what done it at the northern part. Omo Mufri Hodom. Who call central region, the western region. Epo kanse who are in Nimenya no crese appointment a work who had to appear what the ama tribes I what the northern part had a omunquan no nipa omunquan no motua aba and then on fast appointment in my central region for on for appointment in my western region for oko cancer and semunu way. Esan kan kra say adentina presidential candidates our mobile free not President Mahama free not Baomia free not Asana Yariga free not. Meanwhile one more contest 2024 elections, no, they are in excess of 12 who sign 3 penny free north, or more can you down south. But you created this hatred and you espoused it against Omo Muslim North. Albeit say, o grounds in dia, what do your time we would do to time crew was erroneous, it was false, it was baseless. And then what person would town now we play victim. What person would town now we'll score political points. And you think and say, oh, I can't say northern region for your tribal politics. Now, you was here, and I can say, yes, I am to indicate a point and far. In fact, me say, I will even encourage the Northerners. Munya tribal politics. Ewo hodom. Mumma Monkrofo who say, can I Japan what time? One Pemasem. That man is a wicked man. What time? One ped the Northerners assembly in someone will come in 2023. Anyhow, what recycle that issue. Now, a person will book niti so. Asema any ho. A person will recycle no book niti so. I will transfer. Excessive one Pemasem. You guys should be emboldened. Tell your people, said this man, or time move free north into Montua Pentiano. Moment is zero. Yeah, was here now was who be you seeing. And the resist a dear ben, zero more than the Berman or north. No, hey, yeah, cry and pen asem, ya cry and tomano, central region, ya call or a Baumia call, can Japan, no Cassane companies. On my giant HD, constituency executive, and name MP Squire, almost supported. So be bold and campaign against him. Muma Moncroft, who second in Japan or time north for. Or time off for MBP for Munti, Canada, Japan, and some more can. It's here north for more than a bar as a flag bearer. North for no more to Abamano. No more to Abamano. Central region, when I can MPP, we need elections. A swing region, we need. Or non a region and MPP region. Nay, I can see a Benjamin Moore to Swansea, see a for gold and northern pattern. A bad boy won't help us. Muntenamon to Abentia, Canada, Japan is a tribal bigot on pen PPE.